Good morning, everybody. Today it's already December 1st. Friday morning, 90 minutes past 8, which is also the same in Bali, Singapore and Malaysia. In Jakarta, which is 1 hour behind, it's 90 minutes past 7, and as you can see, I've already arrived at Hong Kong International Airport to prepare for my flight from Hong Kong to Bali. So it's really convenient to get to Hong Kong International Airport because you can basically get here by public transport. I mean, you can drive, but I don't drive, and it's really expensive to park here at the airport, you know, as usual. So I actually come from my Papa's place at Onyam Estate. I took the A330 bus, which is the only direct bus from my Papa grandma's place to the airport. It's in terms of frequency, it's not good, but it gives you, you know, directly to the airport. Otherwise, you have to change at elsewhere, which would be quite annoying. And A330 is the only bus operated by Long Win after the Tsing Ma interchange. Yes, which will stop at the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge passenger clearance building first, then stop at here airport terminal 1. So note that this is a drop-off only stop where all passengers, if they go to airport, alight here and then, you know, head inside. So A330 actually goes to the Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge passenger clearance building first, then go to airport terminal 1, whereas all other Long Win buses does stop at terminal 1 here first, then Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge passenger clearance building. But anyway, the traffic, it's you know, all right. Friday morning, not too heavy. So right now, I will quickly head inside to, I think it's sections A, B, or C, as I received the email update from Cathay Pacific about my, yes, I'm actually flying Cathay Pacific for my coming flight from Hong Kong to Bali. So without further ado, let's head inside and I will complete my final check-in before boarding the flight. Okay, as mentioned earlier, I am flying Cathay Pacific from Hong Kong to Bali. I'll let you guys guess which flight I'm taking. And the correct answer is, on the second column, it says to Denpasar. Yes, Denpasar, aka Bali, Cathay Pacific CX785, which departs at 10 AM, which is just slightly an hour and a half from now. I know it's a bit rushed, but it's okay. Still have enough time to check in, and it's code shared by American Airlines AA. QR stands for Qatar Airways, and then JL stands for Japan Airlines, because Cathay Pacific, American Airlines, Qatar Airways and Japan Airlines all belongs to One World Alliance. So you might wonder why I'm flying Cathay Pacific, which is the home carrier of Hong Kong, because it is the, well, you can also fly Hong Kong Airlines, because Hong Kong Airlines and HX and Cathay Pacific both provide daily direct flight between Hong Kong and Denpasar. But Hong Kong Airline flight departs, you know, in late evening, which is, you know, not that good. Although it does save a bit of time, but you know, you want to start your journey much more comfortably. So that's why I am going to fly Cathay Pacific CX785, which is also code shared by American Airlines, Qatar Airways and Japan Airlines. Again, Cathay Pacific CX785 departing at 10 a.m. from Hong Kong here to Denpasar, Bali. And as it says, I will go to either aisle B or C to backdrop, because I do have a check-in baggage as my blue one to backdrop. So without further ado, I will I mean, I've already checked in online, but I still need to backdrop, so I will go to the, I believe it's the backdrop counter to do so. So the self check-in looks like this. Please select your airline. I mean, you can't really select because it is the only option, Cathay Pacific, which I'm flying. Continue, continue, continue. I mean, common sense, just agree. And then I will scan my Hong Kong SAR passport. Follow the steps. Yes, I've already checked in online. Cathay Pacific CX785 from Hong Kong to Denpasar, Bali on today, December 1st, Saturday. Then continue. Will you be checking any baggage? Yes, because I do have one blue one. Then common sense, you're not bringing any prohibited items. And one back tag, because I do have one check-in bag. Okay, back tag complete. I do have a boarding pass on my Cathay Pacific app, but I like a physical one, tangible one. And I will go to gate 68 after I have backdrop my check-in baggage. Have a pleasant flight, and that's it. And here you will do the automatic backdrop. Select a language. I'm from Hong Kong, so traditional Chinese. One bag. Okay, that's my holder. There you go. Yeah. Put my only check-in baggage to the carrier, and also face the camera. Okay, just to double check again, no any prohibited items, and also batteries must be checked. I mean, with your carry-on bag. That's me. Goodbye. This is my baggage receipt. Nope, that's my only one. See you in Bali in a couple of moments later. So it depends on which departure gate your flight is. You may or may not need to take this kind of automated train to bring you to your departure gate. As my flight Cathay Pacific CX785 from Hong Kong to Bali departs at gate 68, which is belongs to gate 40 to 80 section. I have to take these kind of automated train to the as the first stop. 201 to 230. So you just need to remember your gate number is, and you will need to alight at the correct stop. As my gate, again, gate 68, I will need to depart at gate 68. I mean the first automated train stop. So it's still a bit of a walk after you alight at the first automated stop, but anyway, I have already arrived at gate 68 to prepare for my Cathay Pacific flight CX785 from Hong Kong here to Denpasar, Bali. So yes, that's gate 68, and this is my flight. So this flight is operated by an Airbus A330-300, and the registration number is B-LAK. As I'm flying in economy class, the seat configuration is 242, and I will introduce more as I board the flight in a few moments later, because the boarding time, as per the boarding pass mentioned, it's 9:20, which is just slightly more than 10 minutes from now, and I don't have lounge access, obviously. So for now, I'll just kind of sit back, enjoy, and prepare for my flight Cathay Pacific CX785 from Hong Kong to Denpasar, Bali, because I already had breakfast before I came to the airport, and hot meal is included on Cathay Pacific flights. So I would just rather be patient for my appetite, and later as I board the flight in the air, I will enjoy the meal. So yes, here I am at again gate 68, the first automated train stop you will need to alight to prepare for my Cathay Pacific CX785, operated by an Airbus A330-300, registration number B-LAK, and again I'm flying from Hong Kong to Denpasar, Bali. So I've already boarded the aircraft, and my seat today it's 43K. The first section of the economy class. Yes, right hand side of the aircraft window seat. So let me go through the seat features here. So the seat pitch or leg room, it's 32 inches. The seat width, it's 18.45 inches. Comfortable enough for me in this 5-ish hour flight down to Denpasar, Bali as a 5 foot 10 inches tall person. Every 2 seats there is a universal power socket, and there are 3 from left to right some storage space for your personal items, such as my SIM card. I'm going to change later, with my PIN, passport, my charging stuff, and inside the actual seat pocket you got the safety card, air sickness bag, in-flight magazine, and the cancelling headphone for you to later connect to the in-flight entertainment system on this touchscreen TV. This is the code hook, and here you can temporarily put some of your small items, which obviously you can't do so before takeoff or landing. So here is where you're going to plug your USB port. This is the armrest you want to lift up and down, and this hole is for you to plug the not universal, the noise cancelling headphone. This is the cup holder. Okay, it's not actually going to spin like this. And this is the tray table. you can move it back and forth, and also fold it in half. As you can probably see, the flight, well, I guess December pre-Christmas season, the flight it's kind of pretty full. At least my neighboring seat it's occupied, but anyway, the leg room 32 inches, as you can see, it's I mean, like, in my opinion, pretty comfortable. So later, as I'm in the air, I will introduce more about the entertainment system in Flight 1 on this touchscreen TV. So this is my seat, 43K at this Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 economy class. And my correction, the registration number is actually B-LAK, and my flight is CX785 from Hong Kong to Denpasar, Bali. And my seat it's 43K on the right hand side of the aircraft, the front section of the economy cabin. And my seat pitch, it's 32 inches, seat width it's 18.45 inches, and I almost forgot, you can adjust your head part of the seat, so to make you much more comfortable. But I think you still need to adjust to the normal position. I mean, yeah, move it back to normal position before before takeoff and also landing. So yes, sit back, enjoy, and relax on this 5-ish hour flight as things stand from Hong Kong down to Denpasar, Bali, Indonesia.
Safety is important to us. Please take a few minutes to watch our video. 由而家開始，隨時展開一段舒適、稱心嘅飛行旅程。請用幾分鐘留意呢段短片，因為你嘅安全對我哋嚟講係好重要。If you are traveling with hand luggage or large items, make sure they're stored in the overhead compartments for takeoff and landing. 如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或大型物件，喺航機起飛同降落前，請確保
Cathay Pacific flight CX785 from Hong Kong to Bali, as I've already changed my SIM card from the Hong Kong one to the Indonesian one for me to use in Indonesia. So it looks like this. If you want to search for particular items, you just need to type in, obviously in English. Otherwise, you can watch some movies. Fun fact, it's Disney Plus, regardless of movie or TV shows. It's available on Cathay Pacific flights from December, which is actually from today onwards, December 1st, Friday. Okay, if you look at the TV, you've got a decent selection of choices. So does movies. And also Christmas selections as well, as Christmas Day, it's coming the unit you want. Okay, this is the flight map. In whatever mode you prefer. And as you can see, those pop up. These are some of the, I believe, the introduction of Cathay Pacific destinations. So I'm flying from Hong Kong. Let's see. Bali. So that gives you like a glimpse of the origin and destination, as in Hong Kong and then parts of Bali, how they are like. Of course, if you're flying to other Cathay Pacific destinations, you can also click on other places as well. But I'm not going to do so today. Okay, map done, and then other games. Okay, and also if it needs some assistance and information, like arrival in Denpasar, Bali, the how to use the in-flight entertainment system. Okay, not yet available. How to use it? Do you need to? I don't need to. It's pretty easy. As I'm flying up directly to Bali, I mean, I'm not connecting elsewhere. I don't really need to, but if you're connecting through Denpasar, Bali to elsewhere, this might help you before you land. And also the weather information, not available. Oh, it's actually available. As you can see, it's going to be light rain as we land today. Hopefully the actual weather as we land in 4-ish hours won't be that bad. Then if you want some feedback, then you can you know, type in. Okay, introduction done. Let's go to the movies which I want to watch. I'm going to go to Disney Plus and go to the classic Ratatouille. I haven't watched for ages. Okay, language in English, subtitles. Well, language you can choose apart from English, you can have Mandarin, Japanese, Korean, French and German. Subtitles you can choose from English, traditional Chinese, Mandarin Chinese, and also Japanese. Oh, even Arabic. I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm gonna go for language for English, subtitles for traditional Chinese, and let's play. Obviously you can't hear what the movie it's playing because I'm already wearing my in-flight in-flight provided noise cancelling headphones. You can adjust the lighting, the volume to your liking or preference or whatsoever. And this is the, I believe, one of the advertisements before the actual movie begins. breakfast slash lunch is served. So there's actually no physical menu or a digital one, which is maybe going to be displayed in the in-flight entertainment system. But we were told the main is either the beef with mashed potato or the satay chicken with rice. Okay, by the way, in Indonesian, satay chicken, it's satay ayam, because satay, it's satay, like S-A-T-E, spelled in Indonesian, and ayam means chicken, and it's served with rice, and that's what I got. You actually got 2 skewers of satay chicken, served with some sort of salad with ham, some veggies, and mixed it fruit. You got pineapple, watermelon, and also dragon fruit. Correct me if I'm wrong. You also get a piece of bread and butter, and ice cream. I got myself. We were served the strawberry ice cream. Here you also got a piece of napkin, antiseptic towel, and also metal cutleries, as in a fork, knife, and spoon. Okay, well, this time, or technically the second round of drink, I got myself alcohol, a can of Heineken beer, and served like individually with a cup and a can, so that you can do it like this. Okay, I put too much. Too quickly. The phone just went out. But anyway, so this is the you can say the hot meal served on Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 economy class CX785. Today's flight from Hong Kong to Denpasar, Bali. Okay, quick toilet tour. After my meal, to do some shit and pull. So this is the large mirror to make you feel more spacious. So this is the coat hook, and in case of a turbulence, you need to grab the handrail. There are 1 and 2. If you're traveling with infants, there is a baby bassinet for you. So this is the shit and pull. If you need to flush it at the end, to keep you feel moisturized, not dehydrated, you have some body lotion and also hand cream as well, some cold air coming out, and some tissues, soap, hot water, cold water, and some more tissues as well. All in all, it's not spacious. Still kind of spacious. You can move around a bit, but it's pretty clean, at least from the hygienic aspect, as we are almost around halfway through the day. So right now I will do my business quickly, just in case there are people outside waiting.
Airbus A330-300 economy class CX785 from Hong Kong to Bali as we approach into the Denpasar International Airport. So my journey begins at my grandmother's place. Thankfully, there are direct buses to the airport, but it depends on where you live. It's pretty much convenient to go to the airport from most places in Hong Kong. Even like for example, in my grandmother's place, the direct bus to the airport, although it's quite, I would say, limited frequency, but direct bus, hell yeah, why not? The check-in process, it's pretty smooth if you know tech stuff. Like basic tab stuff. You just need to confirm the details and then print your black tag and also boarding pass. Like I know some of people like me already have like a boarding pass on the Cathay Pacific app, but I like something like physical or I would say tangible. So I did print a boarding pass as well. Then I had to the backdrop area to drop my check-in baggage. If you do, then immigration it's fairly smooth, and depends on your departure gate. You may or may not need to take the automated train. My Cathay Pacific flight CX785 departed gate 68, which needs to take the automated train to the first stop. So just to double check with your boarding pass to see which departure gate it is, to determine if you need to take the automated train or not. If you do, is it going to be the first stop or the second stop that we'll need to arrive at? Oh, what should I say? Yes. And food-wise, it tastes pretty good. The satay chicken with rice. I'm surprised there are actually 2 skewers of satay, and the rice is full of flavor. You can actually taste the flavor of the shrimp paste. The surface is pretty smooth. You've got the peanut and the juice as a starter, then followed with the actual main meal. But it will be appreciated again if there are salt and pepper pack, to add some more flavor to your preference. I mean, depends on different people, and also complimentary bottle of water would be better, even without a request, to keep us hydrated on this 5-ish hour flight from Hong Kong to Indonesia. The entertainment wise, it's pretty extensive. I got the chance to watch 2 movies, the Ratatouille and also Toy Story 4, which are some of the Disney Plus movie available right now from today, December, because today is December 1st, Friday. The seat pitch and leg room, seat width, the seat pitch is leg room, 32 inches and also 18.45 inches. It's good enough for me, even though I already put my carry-on bag under the seat, and also I'm again 5 foot 10 inches tall. All in all, it's pretty comfortable flight. It's actually not that full in reality, so that's pretty much the end of Cathay Pacific flight Airbus A330-300, registration number B-LAK, yes, B-LAK, and in economy class it's CX785 from Hong Kong to Bali, and I'm sitting at 43A, the 4th row of the economy class cabin on the right hand side of the aircraft. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the flow of the video, the content wise, but not only give a like, but also give subscribe, or probably